Not today.
I'll make sure you never see the light.
You know?
I didn't have to pretend. Yeah, I want.
No. Don't worry. Everything's going to be all right. You gave me no choice.
I don't care if you die, there are plenty of other princes.
You knew?
You should rejoice.
And Arthur.
I want you to help me.
Merlin!
I am a Dragon Lord, you cannot refuse me!
How dare you treat me such? How dare you abuse your power?
I command you